In this video, I'm going to walk through Excel's Flash Fill feature, which enables Excel to fill in parts of your data for you based on patterns it detects. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a Mac computer. While there are two ways to use Flash Fill on a Windows computer, there's only one way on a Mac, and that's what we will cover here. Let's say you have student information in a worksheet where the student last name, first name, and ID number is in one column. If you want the first name and last name in column B with no ID number, you could use the concatenate function. However, it is faster to use Excel's Flash Fill feature. Start by typing in the first and last names in the first cell in the desired column. Move your pointer to the cell below where you typed the first and last name. Then hold down the Control key and press E. This is the keyboard shortcut for the Flash Fill feature. The rest of the first and last names fill in. Sometimes you do need to fill in a few more cells for Excel to be able to detect the pattern. So if the cells do not autofill at first, try typing one or two more names and then try the keyboard shortcut again. That's how you use Flash Fill. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.